My name's Ed.
I'm George.
And today we're going to be making pulled chicken sliders. So first off, we've been boiling the water and George is going to be cutting up the chicken horizontally.
Let's do that there. So we're going to make the sauce now. Just start with half a cup of tomato sauce. A quarter teaspoon of chili. Half teaspoon of garlic. Half a teaspoon of dry mustard. Half a teaspoon of paprika. Half a teaspoon of cumin. So just half teaspoon of, eighth teaspoon of allspice. And then we're just going to put this on a low heat over the element.
So now I'm just going to chiffonade the cabbage. Just watching my fingers. Now I'm just going to grate the carrot. I'm just finely slicing the green onion.
Okay.
Just mixing in the parsley now as well.
So we're just waiting for the sauce to start simmering, and then once the chicken's fully cooked, we'll add the chicken in here and make sure it's all mixed around. So we're just going to check the internal temperature of the chicken now, make sure it's at 75 degrees. Now that it's fully cooked, we're just going to use 2 forks and just shred it. Now that the cooked and the sauce is done, we're just going to chuck the chicken in the sauce and just make sure it's all coated nicely.
It's on the fan forced at 180 degrees, so we'll just leave that in there for a couple of minutes. Just taking the buns out, and we've got a top one and a bottom one, so we put in the chicken on the bottom one. Slide it on here. That's good. Getting some coleslaw as well with it. And then slapping them together.
So cheers for watching Say Kai Foods. These are our pulled chicken sliders, and yeah, just keep cooking.
Keep going. Oh, thanks for watching. Hold up. Nah,